We're living in a world of polycrises. Everything from obviously COVID-19 to the climate crisis to a number of conflicts that we're dealing with today.
Public policy can affect these complex challenges by being evidence-informed and clearly communicated to the public that they're going to affect.
Our Master's in Public Policy here at Durham in the School of Government and International Affairs is really meant to equip students to have a very kind of practical and analytical set of tools so that they can work in the policy world. In addition to our kind of lectures, seminars, data analysis training, we have these capstones for students.
I'm Arne Woltz. I work for a mental health trust in Newcastle.
It's wonderful because it provides an opportunity to really work hands-on with policymakers and in various kind of settings in the UK, outside of the UK, around the world, in international institutions, with NGOs. The point is to really allow students to have the ability to have us and the ability to have an organization that they would want to work with in one space.
By working with Durham University, we'll be able to get better insights from our data that will inform the policy that we have within our own organization, improve the care that we provide to our patients, and really be able to make evidence-based decisions within our trust.
The School of Government and International Affairs is a leading political science, public policy and international relations department. It's a top 100 department in the world.
The students in the MSc in Public Policy program will learn about policy-making processes that are involved, as well as how to conduct research, collect evidence, and analyze data effectively using state-of-the-art data analysis tools, as well as how to communicate their research findings effectively to policymakers.
The course here at Durham is aimed at really anyone who is interested in public policy. Any background, whether it previously had a connection to policy or political science or social science, economics, or something completely different.
MSc in Public Policy program is going to have two pathways in terms of the data analysis. So for those of the students who don't really have a lot of background in data analysis, they will have a chance to learn basic data analysis and then eventually continue towards advanced data analysis methods. For those students who come in with some background in data analysis, then they will have a chance to deepen their knowledge and acquire more state-of-the-art data analysis tools.
I've had the best professors. I've had the best time attending their seminars.
There's academic staff from all over the world. It's nice to have these diverse perspectives that allow students to have like a multifaceted education.
Durham has given me the opportunity to join a lot of societies that have been either linked to what I particularly study regarding politics, but also societies regarding just extracurricular things like dancing, that might just interest me as a person and that might help me relax and just meet more people.
So if you want a master's that will enable you to enter the public policy world,
to gain employable skills in policymaking and data analysis,
and gain hands-on experience,
we'll love to hear from you.